Welcome! If you love using Pinterest to save ideas and inspiration, you'll want to make sure you never miss a reminder about your favorite pins. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable reminders for your pins right inside the Pinterest app on your PC, especially with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll see a variety of options. Find and click on Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. Now that you're in the Settings section, take a look at the options listed. Find and select Notifications. This is where you can control all the ways Pinterest keeps you updated about your activity and saved content. Inside the Notifications menu, scroll until you find the section labeled Reminders at Pins You Saved. This is the feature that lets Pinterest send you helpful nudges about the pins you want to come back to. To make sure you get these reminders directly in the app, simply toggle the in-app switch to enable it. When it's turned on, you'll start receiving notifications right within Pinterest whenever it's time to revisit or take action on your saved pins. Before you leave this page, don't forget to click the Save button. This step is important. Otherwise, your changes won't take effect. Once you've saved your settings, you're all set. Pinterest will now send you in-app reminders for your saved pins, making it easier than ever to stay organized and inspired. That's all it takes to enable reminders for your pins on Pinterest using your PC. With this new update, managing your ideas and projects is even more convenient. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.